What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we have the PNW Range Handlebar. We're going to be unboxing this and weighing it as well, so let's get started. So for this handlebar in particular, it has 30 millimeters of rise, and it is 800 millimeters wide or long, however you want to measure that. And also I went with the 31.8 millimeter diameter. As you open up, get a cool sticker, and packaged really well in here. It can be hard to get out sometimes. But let's see what we can do here. There we go. Alright. A little messy, but we did it. So here's the handlebar. Has nice lines if you want to cut it by 5 millimeters on each side. A little bit of back sweep, and again 30 millimeters of rise. Really nice handlebar, and let's see how much it weighs. So I couldn't really get an accurate weight on the scale due to the rise and sweep, so we're gonna try it on here. So these come in at 300 grams, and that translates to 0.66 pounds. So not too bad for the price. I believe I got them around $60, maybe $50. So pretty lightweight. I run these on my Polygon and really like them so far. So that's why I'm putting them on my stump jumper. Should be a really nice component to have. Love PNW and everything that they do. So yeah, that's going to conclude today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.